Hello everyone, today in this video we are going to learn about the scale feature, that how to scale any object in SolidWorks. So let's begin. For this we already have created a body. Now we are going to define the material of this body. So here in the left corner you find the material. Just right click on the material and here click on edit material, and from here we define the material, which is ABS. Click on ABS. Here you find all the properties and appearances and other things about the material, and here click on apply. So now the material is defined ABS. Now we are going to scale it. So you can find the scale option in the insert, and here click on feature and you find insert, or you can simply activate the mold tools and here click on the mold tools and here you find scale. So here click on the scale, and here we find three options. The first one is centroid, the second one is origin, and third one is coordinate system. So we can scale the object with the centroid of the object and from its origin, or by defining its coordinate system. So the object is going to be increase in size or decrease in size according to the centroid, origin, or coordinate system. So from here we select centroid. So the scaling factor of the ABS material is 0.6. So here we enter 1.06 to scale it. So here we enter 1.06 and click on OK. Now click on evaluate and here find measure. Now we are going to check its dimension, that its size is going to be increase or decrease. So here we check the hole. Diameter is 4.24 when we applied scaling on this, and rolling back this feature. Now measure the diameter. This is 4 mm. So the increase in the diameter shows that when we apply scaling on it. So when we create any part with the help of molding process or casting process, we need to heat up the material to make desired shape of body with the help of this material. When the cooling process taken place, the material going to be shrink. So when we create any part in SolidWorks, we need to increase its size as per the scaling factor of the material to obtain the real size of that object. So this is the basically use of scaling in SolidWorks. Now we can also decrease the size of the object by using scaling factor. So from here we are going to decrease its number is 0.06 and now click OK. Right now you can click on measure and here you find the whole diameter is 0.24, which is 4 mm before applying scaling factor on this. So we can increase or decrease the object size with the help of scaling factor. So this is all about the scaling tool used in mold tools. Thanks for watching the video.